not as loud as we would like it to be, but that's not its fault.
Oh my god, okay, we got B-17 doing something crazy here. And now the F-35s are here. That's the C variant right there, baby. I think that's a Charlie. Look at the wingspan.
We don't want you to do a go-around because we want jet time. F-35C. Everything is stirring. The excitement is palpable. God, look at that wingspan. It's so much bigger than the A. So much bigger. Yeah! Woo! Oh, the glint. Oh, coming down low. Oh my god, over Patrick's shoulder. Right over Patrick's shoulder. Oh, Patrick's arm. Yes. Guitar-driven rock and roll.
Yes! Yeah! Oh my god almighty! I can't even keep up with it! Oh my god! Yes! Yeah! Oh, I love this. This is a perfect song. Oh, yeah! They play this song at every air show. Never seen an F-35C, let alone an F-35C hook. Oh my god. Oh, badass. Yeah! Yeah, that's the ultimate go-around. Holy crap! Yeah! I'm at the age in which I invite hearing disruption. There's too much bad music out there. Oh my god, so fast. How do I keep up with it? That was a high-speed pass right there.
During this maneuver, Stroke's body will feel like he weighs close to 1,300 pounds.
Stroke's body is awesome. It can handle it.
God damn! Oh my god, I'm shaking with delight. I can't keep up with it.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh holy shit! Was that the A?